Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Dell audio drivers on your Windows 11 computer. Now for this, go to dell.com/support website. The link is provided in the video description. On this website, enter your service tag number or express service code, or if you see your model number, just select your model number from here. If you don't see it and if you don't have a service tag, you can click on detect this PC automatically, or you can click on browse all products, then go to computers and then select your computer over here. Make sure that you select your computer, your series and your model number, and then click on select this product and then go to drivers and download. Scroll down and then click on expand it. Now select Windows 11 over here and then under category click on this drop down option and then find audio. Put a check on audio box over here. Now once you put a check, now scroll down here, you can see your audio driver. Now you can click on download and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on it, click on yes to allow, and then you will see the install option, so click on install. Now click on next and then click on yes. The driver that you're trying to install is older than existing one. Do you want to continue the installation? So in my case, I've installed the latest driver from Realtek website. So if you don't receive this prompt, you can continue. So click on yes and then click on next. Let the process complete. So after the system restart, you can see it's still installing. Now again it's telling you to restart your computer, so make sure that you restart your computer after this. So click on finish now. So after the system restart, the audio driver should be installed successfully on your Dell computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.